Let me show you something. This is BiliBili. You know, BiliBili is same like YouTube from China, and now BiliBili has gone worldwide. So this is BiliBili, and recently I started uploading videos in BiliBili. And if you see me, let's click here. And what is this? I have completed my 100 followers. It's been 6 days that I have been uploading content, my videos in BiliBili app. As you can check, I have uploaded only 9 videos, and if I go to upload management, here you can see all the videos that I uploaded. And one video which made this possible, I suppose, is how to upload video on BiliBili, which has acquired me 7,921 views with 400 likes, 5 this is dummy coins, I suppose, and 159 comments and 10 shares. So finally I have reached level 2. You can check here. If I come to me again, and here you can see right now my profile is on level 2, but to get monetized, to complete my creator incentives, I need to go to level 3. And for that, if I go here, earning center, it shows still 0, that my revenue has not been started yet. For that I need to have level 3 account, which needs more time, because level 3 account I can reach only if I have 1000 minimum followers. So friends, if you're watching this video, do hit the follow button, and do not forget to like and share my videos with your friends so that I get more followers. And thank you everyone who has supported me till here. This is BiliBili, same like YouTube. If you are a content creator, don't forget to upload videos on your BiliBili. If the application is available with you, this application you will be finding in Play Store, App Store. Okay, I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.